Loading cargo. Precautions for topping off. Use MMC or portable vapor control measuring device for the topping off cargo. Pay attention to the following precautions when topping off cargo tanks. 1. Make reasonable difference in the tank level within the loading tanks to facilitate sequential topping off according to the planned loading sequence. 2. Ensure that the deck duty is stationed at the tanks to be topped off for an ample amount of time to conduct ullaging by MMC. 3. Slow down the loading rate within the allowable maximum rate according to the progress of the loading operations. 4. Throttle the tank valve gradually and carefully so as not to cause a pressure surge. 5. Be reminded that cargo will continue to flow from the loading arm into the final cargo tank when loading has stopped. Monitor it until oil flow has stopped completely. 6. Valves through the manifold to the final topped-off tanks must be kept open until the loading master gives permission to close them. 7. It is essential to formulate emergency plans in advance for situations like when loading operation is not stopped upon ship's order, or inoperable tank valves, etc. 8. Ensure that the tank suction valve is closed properly after the manifold gate valve is closed, to avoid contamination with other grades of cargo.